Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I wanted to come on and tell you guys how much I enjoyed this little satchel here from Dooney Florentine. I have it packed to the gills. It really is supposed to kind of bend over like that, but I think this is the nano, and I have it stuffed. I wanted to give you a little look at how I had her dressed. I really like this little duck, but with these hanging so far down, I couldn't put it in the front like I really wanted to because it just would hang down too far. And the same went for this little key. I think this is like a little key wallet. Not key, change wallet or whatever. But I just have my sanitizer in it, and I really just wanted something that was Dooney and Burke to go with it. So anyway, I couldn't. It wouldn't look good hanging from this, so I put it on the zipper pull. Yeah, and that's how I work that. And this chain right here actually goes to another it's like a mini terry. I think that's what this is. I think I only have one mini terry, and when I remember when I ordered this, I was clicking so fast because I thought things were going to sell out. I thought I was getting the regular terry, but anyway, so this goes with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off and go ahead and put that back where it belongs. And I have not worn this, but this little mini terry, but I will be soon because Valentine's Day is coming up, and I'm going to try to wear bags that are either pink or red, or has pink or red in it, for the month of February. That's my thought. Anyway, we'll see. But let's see. So I love this little purse, even though I haven't worn it yet. It's so pretty. I like the red. This color red is so pretty, and this color gold is really pretty. And you can use this as the shoulder strap, or you can use like this crossbody strap. But anyway, enough about that, because that is not what we're here for. All right, and then let's see. This I think probably came from Temu or somewhere. But this is an actual Dooney and Burke charm. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off too. Take both of these off. All right, and then we'll take this off. I got to order some more of these. I tend to leave these on the purses that I use, but this is literally my last one. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off, and then we get like a little bird's eye view of what I have in there. Look how packed that is, and that is what she's looking like. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out. My work ID and health stuff, and this is I bought this secondhand, and I like this little thing. It had some material that I had to clean off in here, but I don't know what it is about it that I just really like. I guess it's kind of vintage, and I like that a lot. All right, and then I did use Coach products, and this one is some more cards, Coach product, and then earbuds. I like to have at least two. And we'll take everything out, and then I will show you what I plan to wear this week. All right, so that was everything that came out of there. Let's see. And my only complaint on this is awkward. I don't know what they need to do different with this, but it's so awkward. And I have another bag that is bigger. I want to say like this is the nano, I think. And then the next one, I have the next size up. It's black, and I actually want to wear that real soon. But it's really cute and everything. But I don't like this zipper. I mean, it's not enough not to buy their purses anymore. But it's weird to me. But anyway, I thought we'll do one more little look around. I really like this little purse. It's really cute. You know? All right, so that is that one. And then I'm going to show you guys what I plan to go to. I'm not going to do that on camera or anything. I'm not going to do the switch over. But I wanted to show you what I am going to plan to go to. So I think I'm going to try to put this scarf on here some kind of way. I'm not good at that, but you get the idea. I think that's going to be cute. And then I have this little Dino charm that I just got. He's super cute. I got this from another purse that is not an actual Coach purse. I bought it from eBay, and so I have learned. I mean, this thing, it even has like the Coach branding all on that. But anyway, so I'm going to use this chain to go on here, and these are the accessories that I plan to use. I know that's Kurt Geiger, but I really like this little that little wallet, and On the inside, I'm going to use that black and red. This goes to another large Rowan that I have, which I'll probably wear next week. And then this, and then this. I just picked these up. And then this. So, I know this looks like a lot, but that is what I plan to do. All right, so I think she's going to be really cute. I can't wait to wear her. I just got her in the mail, and I really, really enjoy a large Rowan. But anyway, I thought that I would share that with you guys, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.